大家好.
Shanzai, Womanzai, Chuzo, and today we've completed our 2 weeks of immersion cultural program here in China.
And it's been amazing since then. So
We've learnt a lot, we've explored a lot, and
yeah,
it
it's
was a
been
good
a lot of fun.
experience for us.
Yeah, so we are in Chuzhou right now, which was Confucius's mother's hometown, and the guys here now use Confucius to spread his teachings and kind of make people aware of who Confucius was, what did he preach, and everything else. And you feel Confucius' presence everywhere here. Like he's like the city's mascot, and we actually visited the Confucius Museum here and the school, and kind of learned a lot about what Confucius was all about.
And since Chuzhou is not a metropolitan, we learned a lot about how the life of Chinese people actually was and how they're still continuing to preserve their culture. So we did pottery here, we visited a village, we painted over there, we visited the Root Museum, wherein they had prepared sculptures out of mere roots, which was amazing. The sculptures were
1,000 years old.
yeah. And we did a lot which we wouldn't have done if we were there. We did many beautiful things out there which were connected to Chinese culture. So pottery taught us patience, and everything that we did had a lesson for us. So it has been a beautiful journey so far, and we learned a lot along this journey, and we hope to continue learning.
So as a part of our training program and as we end today, we had to come up with a presentation, and this presentation was going to be in front of a panel of Mandarin teachers and we also had other guests come in and look at our presentation, and the best part was we did the entire presentation in Mandarin. We spoke in Mandarin, our presentation slides were in Mandarin, which was a great experience because it totally gave us the confidence to stand in front of at least 30 to 40 people and just talk about our experiences right from the day one, that was in Shanghai, till the end, which was in Chuzhou. And it was really good. It was like a first speech in Chinese, and that's a cherishable moment for all of us.
We got a feel of not just the metropolitan life but also the village life since we came to Chuzhou. And we even learned about the tea art that they do, which is very different from other things that they do. So it taught us a lot, and we hope to continue learning. And it was a lot of fun. So now we'll be heading to Shanghai soon and to Mumbai. And these 2 weeks have been amazing. And yeah, we hope to continue learning Mandarin, coming back to China and doing things.
So we were part of an immersion program where not only were we taught how to learn Chinese and how to teach other people, but also to kind of immerse ourselves in the Chinese culture that they have here, the rich Chinese culture that is, learn how to make tea, kind of make pottery like the way the Chinese do it, and also kind of we saw the Chinese opera last night, so that was all real fun.
Basically, we came to know through all the Chinese art and the craft work that we basically did, artwork that we basically did, was that how disciplined at the root of their life all of these Chinese are. Everything, they have patience, they have a way to do it, and they are just very disciplined. And we came to know this by doing all the activities, like the games we played, like all the artwork we did, the pottery, tea art, paint. There was a activity where we made a doorknob out of a clay, which was fun.
So it was an amalgamation of everything, history, culture, everything
Language.
came together. And we even had other people, other friends from Myanmar who were with us along this journey, which made the journey fun. We made a lot of friends, and sometimes these relationships last for a lifetime. So it's not just meeting new people, but actually giving a part to someone and taking some parts along with you when you embark on such a journey. So we are really happy.
It's great to have friends across borders.
Thank you.
Bye.